YouTubers and my RC brothers and sisters. This is Dre at Blacksmith RC coming at you one more again with a sticker update and roll call. First, let's do the roll call. And I just want to thank all the guys that have sent their stickers out. I've got some more guys saying that they want to be on the board, and that's great. Just send them to me and I'll put them on the board. Proudly display your YouTube channel for all the other RC enthusiasts to see. And with the roll call, we're going to start over to the left. We've got Ray Burdine, at ease 1, Jess 34753. We've also got Big James RC, Tojo, Tin Man, a brand new member on the board, RC FPV VIDS, Too Quick For You 104, RC Car Rookie, the new sticker that is from iRock, of course, Rockbud 43, Budget Guy RC, and MTC Tukey 25. Like I say, I appreciate you guys supporting Blacksmith RC, sending your stickers out, and it's great. Love it. Keep doing it, and I'll catch you guys on the next video and make it do what it do.